We are going to be making some banana ice cream today. Banana ice cream is a really great way to use up your bananas when they're getting to that point where you no longer want to eat them, so when they're not quite fresh anymore. And this is a really great way to reduce your food waste. So we have already prepared some old bananas here. We've broken them up, put them into containers and store them in the freezer until they become frozen. Bring them out a little bit before you're going to make your ice cream just so that they blend up nicely. And Alessia, do you want to show us how it's done?
Alrighty, so we've got our blender over here. We're gonna start off by adding in a little bit of milk just to the bottom. And that way it'll help the bananas to catch and help it blend a little bit easier. Just throwing those in. And then our cocoa powder. Making sure we're putting the lid on nice so it doesn't fly and go all over the kitchen. Alrighty, so what I did there was I just started blending it on low just to help it along a little bit and then put it up to high so it catches everything. Beautiful, and that's all blended through nice and smoothly. This is a great alternative to ice cream just because it is that nice, healthy alternative. We're always gonna have some bananas that are probably gonna go a little bit old, so pop them in the freezer. And I'm sure everyone has a bit of cocoa powder lying around, so you can just add that in for a nice little treat.
So now we're going to serve it up. We're going to pop this into our bowl. Depending on how thick you like your ice cream, you might like to pop this into another container, spread it out nice and thin and pop it into the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. That'll make it a little bit thicker for you. We've got some almond butter and some peanut butter. You might like to add those in while you're blending just for a different flavour. And then you can top maybe with some dark chocolate or some peanuts. These peanuts here are natural peanuts, but you can use salted ones as well, and they'll help to bring out some of the sweeter flavours in your banana. This looks delicious and so ready to eat.
I'm ready to dig into that.
Yeah, so just thinking about food waste, we can all make a difference, particularly with the current climate crisis. We want to try and reduce our food waste as much as possible. Don't throw out your old bananas. Split them up, pop them in the freezer, make some banana ice cream, and you'll love it.